16-in-1 rapid test for milk. Test preparation. Get the kit from refrigerator and allow the test cassette warm up to room temperature. Let the milk sample warm up to room temperature before testing. Turn on the BioQuick reader. Log in the account. Choose 16-in-1 as test mode. Turn on the incubator. Set the incubation time. Wait until the temperature has stabilized at 40 degrees Celsius. Test procedure. Take required number of microwells from test tube. Mix milk sample well before testing. Pipette 200 microliter milk sample into the reagent microwell and mix well by pipetting up and down 5 to 10 times. Incubate 3 minutes at 40 ± 2 degrees Celsius. Insert the test cassettes into the microwells after the first incubation. Incubate another 7 minutes at 40 ± 2 degrees Celsius. Take out the test card from the microwell and remove the sample pad at the lower end. Usage of positive control. Take required positive item microwell from positive control. Add milk sample into the positive item microwell and mix well. Take required number of microwells from test tube. Add positive control sample into the corresponding microwell. Add negative milk sample into other microwells. Mix well by pipetting up and down 5 to 10 times. Incubate 3 minutes at 40 ± 2 degrees Celsius. Insert the test cassettes to incubate another 7 minutes. Take out the test card from the microwell and remove the sample pad at the lower end. Result interpretation read by BioQuick reader. Click out and place the test cassette into the strip slot. Click read and the instrument will interpret the result in 10 seconds and the result will show on the screen. If print automatically is checked, the result report will be printed automatically. Result interpretation read by eyes. Check whether the top control line is present. If there is no visible C line, the test is judged as invalid. If there is normal C line, compare the color intensity of test line and C line. If test line is darker than the control line, then the sample is considered to be negative, which means the sample contains no antibiotics or contains antibiotics at lower than the detection limits. If test line is equal to the control line, then the sample is considered to be weak positive, which means the sample contains antibiotics close to the detection limits. If test line is lighter to the control line, then the sample is considered to be positive, which means the milk sample contains antibiotics above the detection limits. Your food safety concern, our dedication.